another video on Negronis. So I treated myself to an expensive bottle of Vermouth for Christmas, and it's nice, but I just find the Negroni it makes just a little bit too rich, if I'm honest. And I prefer well, this is from Sainsbury's, but just like the regular supermarket own brand Vermouth. Good gin, Campari as always, but cheap Vermouth. And then I was thinking about all the controversy about Stanley Tucci and him putting 2 shots of gin to every 1 shot of Campari and Vermouth in his Negroni. And I was thinking, well, maybe if you're using a better quality Vermouth, and I assume he's using a better quality Vermouth, then maybe it needs 2 shots of gin. So let's have a go. And I trust him. He knows his stuff. And also, cocktails are a personal taste. So why not? You know. So 2 shots of gin. And it also kind of begs the question: should I be using a cheaper? Since I'm using a better quality of vermouth, should I be using a cheaper quality gin? Which is maybe something else we might have to ask ourselves. So it's 2 shots of gin, 1 shot of Campari, 1 shot of expensive vermouth. We'll kind of see. But I do like them. I mean, it's a cracking colour, is this? It's a lovely vermouth. It's a lovely vermouth. I can't pronounce it because I'm rubbish at that type of thing. Still looks like a Negroni colour. It's going to be strong because it's got more gin in it. But let's have a taste. Yeah. Yeah. So that kind of, yeah. So Stanley Tucci's right. 2 shots of gin. You get more of a gin hit with it. So you get that. Oh, they're just rolling everywhere. Put that there. So yeah, that's interesting. So my recommendations: if you're using a extremely good quality vermouth, then I would up the gin. However, if you're using a cheaper vermouth, I would keep it a 1-1-1 ratio. There we go. You learn something new every day. I'm going to enjoy that. Are we going to try it with the cheaper gin? No, I don't think we need to. Of course I was going to try it the other way. I was kidding myself. So we'll try it with the cheap gin, the expensive vermouth, and the Campari. The other way around. And we'll do a 1, 1, and a 1. I've got a feeling I'm still going to prefer the 1, 1, 1 of that. But you never know. You never know. You might just learn something new. Although, is that 1 shot there? It's a little bit more. Yeah, the effects of the first Negroni are hitting me already. So that's 1 shot of that. 1 shot of the expensive stuff. And 1 shot of Campari. A swish is enough, and then over ice and a twist. See, different again. Different again. All delicious in their own way. Yeah. So. Yeah, I don't think you can do expensive vermouth and really good quality gin. Although that might not be a really good quality gin. And maybe I have to buy the Tanqueray 10. So, right. So if you're doing the 1-1-1 method, the 1-1-1 method, and using really good quality vermouth, you can get away with using a cheaper gin. And if you're using a cheaper vermouth, you have to go for a good gin. And if you're using a good vermouth and a good gin and Campari, you have to do 2 gin to 1 and 1. And that's my verdict. And that's my verdict, I think. Yes, I think so. I prefer the cheap vermouth and the Campari and a good quality gin. In all honesty, yeah, that's my favourite. And the Sainsbury's one's particularly good for that. I don't know why. I prefer it. I always preferred it to the other supermarket cheap gins, cheap vermouths. I don't know why. I just always seem to get a nicer one. But there you go. That's my verdict. And purely personal. How you like your Negroni is entirely up to you.